All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Tucson, Arizona, leaving the Prince of Tucson RV Park with Edna, and we are meeting a group of recumbents, and our meetup time is just in a few minutes and conveniently just outside the RV park. So Edna and I did not have to go very far. I think Dave's already here. They can actually see the group from the window of their RV, so they knew people were here. We set this up yesterday, so I was not sure what kind of reception we would get, but it looks like we've got quite a few people here already. A couple of two-wheel, long wheelbase recumbents, bunch of trikes. Hey, you guys. Hey, Kelly. Hey, Dee. Looks like we got people here. How about that? Hey, how's it going? All right, nice to see you. I'm Sylvia. Nice to meet you guys. Nice to see you. Oh, that's fun. That's fun. All right, we're going to get ready to go here. Come on, Myrtle. Let's go. Okay, so we are getting on the trail. You guys ready?
Absolutely.
Let's go.
Yep.
Guess it would help if I turned my motor on, wouldn't it? I've got it powered up, but let's turn this baby on. Put it in my favorite trail mode. So from what I understand, we are doing an out and back ride to a neighboring town called Marana, and that will we'll stop, have a little snack, and then head back, and we'll see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Very well.
This is a great trail.
Really a great trail. The Tucson Loop.
Yeah, this goes on out to Marana.
Out to Marana, and that's where we're going today.
Or we could take a right turn and go out to Oro Valley.
Or we could go to Oro Valley. So this is Mo, and she is very new to trike riding. She had an accident on her two-wheeler. She was in the hospital. It was very dramatic, and her doctor said no more two wheels. So she is on a three-wheel. She's got an Ice. Which model is it? Ice Adventure. And you have the E6100 Shimano steps with the helping hands. I love those. I love the way they look, the way those helping hands look. And it's actually a really convenient place to put all different kinds of things.
Yeah, look at that little heron in the rapids. We're gonna keep our eye out for some egrets on the other side.
So this is Chuck. And Chuck he's riding a Scorpion. And what kind of motor do you have?
The Go Swiss.
The Go Swiss.
Yes.
And do you like it?
I love it.
Oh, wonderful. And you got 2 batteries. Thank you, AD. So this is Bonnie. Bonnie and John have Terra trikes with the Bosch electric assist system on them. And derailleur in the back. You can see the battery is hanging off the bottom of the frame. So we have pulled over to a park. We're in the city of Marana, which I'm pretty sure is our halfway point, but I'm not sure that this is our halfway point. I think this may be just a bathroom break, but we got most of the group here. Not everybody. Kelly and Dave. Who knows where they are? But they know all of this area as well as anybody does. So John, tell me about your trike.
Right?
Yeah.
This is Trike, which is a popular entry-level bike brand.
Right.
You recognize them on the trail pretty quickly with the horizontal handlebars. This particular model is a Rambler with a straight boom down the middle,
Right.
one to the other.
Right.
And so you sit up higher.
So it's easier to get in and out of because
Yep.
you sit higher. And then you have the Bosch system.
Yep.
And one battery that you have hanging off the frame.
Yep.
So you got a 10-speed derailleur, and it's working out pretty good for you.
It's quite versatile, yeah.
Yeah, that's
And,
really great.
I was
Yeah, thank you. So these are the wetlands. Lots and lots and lots of ducks. It's pretty windy out here. Hopefully it's not too loud. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit.
Oh man.
20,000.
Where's that?
Yeah, we're coming to the end of the trail here, and just a beautiful landscape. Saguaros, and oh, we got Kelly. Well, hello. We meet again, and Dave. So we're gonna go to the end, and I'm gonna get my drone out
Okay.
because I want to get some video of these beautiful rocks and the saguaro. So we got like a nice lunch break happening here. Everyone's got their snacks out. And then over here we have John and Bonnie, who are very civilized. Place settings, silverware, stemware. Very healthy lunch. They came prepared, showing us all how it's done. So this is Kelly, and she is riding a Rands.
Stratus XP K-frame. Big difference for those of us who care.
Yeah.
To the world, it doesn't matter.
And you've been riding recumbent for?
Since '98.
You've been a part of the recumbent community for a long time.
Yeah.
And very well known. You and your husband Jacinto have done tours like all over the country.
Mostly in the West.
Mostly in
We
the
went
West.
out with AD last year in Michigan and Wisconsin.
Okay, yeah. And you post on Crazy Guy on a Bike a lot. And
Actually on Cycle Blaze.
Cycle Blaze is moved
Yes.
to Cycle Blaze, which
Yes.
I think is really good too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, it's really nice to finally meet you after all these years of following your tours, and to be able to ride the loop.
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic.
Nice to meet you, AD.
Come on, AD, let's go.
I'm waiting.
So we have full bellies after our stop, and we're kind of moseying our way back, or as I like to say, myrtling our way back. So Mo, what do you think about this ride?
I love it.
Pretty nice, isn't it?
Good.
Gorgeous day.
Next time I see you, come back next year.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I think she has a deco.
So how's everybody doing here?
We're fine. How are you?
Yeah, good. You enjoying the ride? I think all of the trikes on this ride have electric assist,
Yes.
but not all the two-wheelers do. In fact, do any of the two-wheelers? No, two-wheelers do not have electric assist. But really a sensational day. Out on the Tucson Loop. And we passed these trucks on the way out. They are repairing the path, filling in the cracks with tar. So we'll have to get off the path just for a little bit to pass them. These are town of Marana city workers.
Fresh car right there.
Thanks, you guys. Yeah, very fresh tar. You don't have to give me an invitation to ride off pavement. Wow. Oh, there's still more. And it is fresh. It is wet. Wet tar. Somehow it doesn't look to be adhering to my tires, which is good. Nothing like having wet tar flung around off your tires. Down we go. We got water here. We actually have a river running. You can hear some birds.
That's your magic wand, right?
Yeah, I got the stick out. Well, it's really nice riding with you, AD.
Sorry?
Nice seeing you again, AD.
It's good to see you.
Yeah, I think we'll be riding a couple more times
I hope
this
so.
week. I hope so too. So, all right, this ride is coming to an end. Just been a sensational day, and it was super fun to meet Kelly and Mo and Bonnie and John. First time riding with them, meeting them. See you later, Mo. Take care. Mo is just pulled off. And then really great to see AD and Chuck. And so the rest of us are headed back to Prince of Tucson RV Park, where I think most of us started this ride from. Let me know what you think about this ride. I thought it was fantastic, gorgeous day. And again, this loop is just really something. So smooth and so long, and you get to go pretty much all around the entire city of Tucson. So yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. I answer all comments. Be safe. Live the possible. And I will see you in the next video.